The RockSolid Diet is about giving you practical advice and tools on how to reduce omega-6 fats in real everyday life.
You see? You can do it.
Hi there, my name is Johnny Rockemeyer from RockSolidDiet.com. Long story short, omega-6s, also known as seed oils, PUFAs or linoleic acid, are poisonous, toxic and a bunch of other very terrible things, so just don't eat them. A bunch of experts have figured this out. They are saying, stop eating seed oils, avoid them as much as possible. But here's the problem. Nobody ever tells you how to really do it. How should you eliminate them? Okay, you switch from cooking with sunflower oil to cooking with coconut oil, alrighty. But then, is that really enough? This is where the RockSolid Diet comes into play. It's all about eliminating omega-6s. You probably have asked yourself, what does the RockSolid Diet mean? What is it exactly?
What's this?
Well, RockSolid stands for ROCK, reduction of chronic sickness, through a SOLID, seed oil limitation diet. You could also say elimination diet. Yeah, obvious, right? It's as easy as that.
Easy? You call that easy?
The RockSolid Diet is about giving you practical advice and tools on how to reduce omega-6 fats in real everyday life. We will tell you how much omega-6 you can eat, how you can assess the omega-6 content of foods and accordingly, what foods to buy and eat. Well, it's really rather what foods to not eat. It is probably easier to tell you what you can eat, right? You can eat lots of fruit. And you can have plenty of vegetables. Do it. As long as they are low fat, which are pretty much all veggies and fruit, you can have those as much as you want. As you may have figured out till now, the RockSolid Diet is not necessarily a low carb diet. Carbs per se are not our enemies. Yeah, I know, carbs have quite a bad reputation these days because of
insulin.
But in RockSolid Diet land, you can have them. Accordingly, you can also have classic carb sources. Try to stay with the low-fat ones like rice and potatoes. Then you can have dairy. Everything from fatty cheeses to milk to butter. Yes, go for it. And finally, you can have meat, fish and eggs. Those contain, after all, fatty acids from animal sources. So those are safe. Or are they? Well, let's take a closer look at animal fats. Maybe animal fats are not as healthy as we thought.
What are you talking about?
Okay, let's add those three values to our graph. However, is this data really valid? Are these the values we're looking for?
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
No, they're not. There is a dirty little secret regarding animal fats.